We go to now function model exit. So this is the transaction code. So this is the database. So we can write a function model exit. Function model exit. Right. So you can write here function model exit. To write your own functionality. And then control go to exit mode. So this will do to write our own functionality. Like validation of the screen fields, or if we want to pass the data of the transaction screen fields to the custom table, we can use this function model exits. Okay. And let's see one function model exit. So I'll create one vendor information, and then we'll use our exit to do the validation purpose. Okay. Suppose company IT solutions. Okay. PO box. So I'm creating some vendor information in the SAP system. Usually we'll create this not by people. Who is vendor?
What do you say? Who's the vendor?
Yes. Or who is the vendor?
The internal?
Uh, what is the vendor? Who is the vendor? Who we call as vendor?
The person who supplies the stuff.
Correct. Goods. Yes, yes. Okay. First, for example, if you want to find out the enhancement available function model exit, so one way is we can go to system transaction code. This is the transaction code XK01. Then go to the system status. You can find out, try to find out based on the package one way, the enhancements, or using the program. Okay, inside the program. Let us we try to find out using the package information. Go to status, find out the package name. How do you find out the package name? If you know the transaction code, using which transaction code we can find out if we know the transaction code, package and program both. Package and program. Program you can find out this way as well. Status program here. So double click the program name. Then go to object directory entry. You can find out the package name in this way, one way. This is the package name. Or the other way is go to SC93, right? What is the purpose of SC93?
Transaction codes. Creating
To create transaction code, right? XK01, click on display, right? Then you can find out the package name here also. You can find out the package name and you can also find out the program name as well here, right? So take the package. After knowing the package, how do you find the enhancements? How do you find the enhancements after you know the package? And go to your goodness mode. Go to search option, information system, package name, and try to find out the enhancements. So it may not find here. Not every time will get based on the package. So in that case, what we should do is we have to go to the program. System status. Go to the program. Then you can find out call customer function. Call customer function. You see my screen, right? So you can find out like this call customer function, and you should check it. If you double click here, this is how it is called by SAP. Function model exits internally. You go to here, so you can find out here the function model exit name here. So this is where I have written the, we can write the code. Okay. So what we can do is take this function model exit name. Yesterday I told you one table name. So what is the table which will hold the enhancements information? Standard table.
Wait, so can you answer can you say the question again, please?
Yesterday I said one table that will hold the information of the enhancements. Function model exit, screen exit, menu exit, all this information now stores in one standard table.
SAP.
Which one?
Mod SAP.
Mod SAP, yes. Mod SAP here. You go to Mod SAP, go to the contents, copy paste the function model exit name. Then you can find out the this is the enhancement name. So once enhancement is found, where do you check what are all the things available inside? Inside available means menu exit, function model exit, screen exit. So which T code we use? Which T code we use to find out the enhancements components? This is enhancement name. Under this enhancement, it can be function model, it can be screen function model exit or screen exit or menu exit. So which transaction code we should go? We should go to C mode or S mode. S mode, right? Always to find the enhancement, S mode. Right?
What is S mode again?
S mode is to see the enhancement information.
Okay.
To search the enhancements and also to see the enhancement components inside the enhancement. What type of components are there like this? This is S mode. Under S mode, you can give the enhancement name. Inside this enhancement, so you can find different components. Nothing but exits we call menu exit. Okay. Function model exit. Screen exit. So all these three things, so if it is provided by SAP, you can find out in the S mode under the enhancement. What is the menu exit purpose?
To exit the menu?
What is the menu exit purpose?
Text.
Like add your own custom menu items or like
Correct. Adding the menu items, custom menu item. Functional model we are doing now to add the additional functionality. Screen exit is to standard screens. If you want to add any extra fields or maybe extra tab, then
is
screen
the
applicable.
is the FN like the function module exit?
Correct. That's what we are doing. Right, now go to the export. Right, take the enhancement name, copy paste here, display. Go to the components. So under the components, right, so this is the function model exit. Inside this, we can write the code. Okay. So this one, the function code, so screen areas includes. This is responsible for menu exit and screen exits if SAP has been provided. Here, if it is empty, means SAP has not given any provision under this enhancement, any menu exit or screen exit. So only the function model exit, it has been given the option here. Now to implement this one, what we should do? Where you should write the code? Once we find the enhancement, what is the next step? So this is the flow actually. First finding the enhancement. Finding the enhancement. First step. Next step is analyzing the components of enhancements. Third one is implementing the enhancement. Implementing the enhancement. Using the which transaction code we will implement the enhancement. And using the which T code we will implement the enhancements. C mode. Is the T code to implement the enhancement. Okay. Now go to C mode. Okay. But enhancement implementation project. For XK01 T code. Go to enhancement assignments. Use the package. Here give the enhancement name here. So what could be meaning of this one?
Now enhancement already in the package.
Oh, already enhancement is available in the other project. So what is the other option we can do? We can delete that from this project. We don't delete the project. From the project, we remove this enhancement. ZB underscore XK02. ZB underscore xk0, right? First, we can deactivate this one. Go to components. Deactivate this one. Okay, now go back. Right? Delete. Go to enhancement assignments. Delete this one. Save it now. Now it will allow our project to create. Now it is allowed. Go to components. Right? And double click here. I will write the code here. This is all my code only. What you see the commented, this one. This is what I did for earlier batches. This one. Suppose we can give this type of message. I'll write if sy hyphen uname equal to my id ESADEV019 type I sorry nine. You can write here message suppose if is we are given region as India and region is space, you give a message here. Message region value to be entered is mandatory for the country India. Then type I. And if here check syntax. One more end if. Check syntax. Activate. We'll put a breakpoint whether it is triggering or not. Stop. Back. Back. Now activate this one. Right. Go to change mode. Activate here. So activate means green now. Signal. Hook is ready. Code is ready. Back. Now we'll create a new vendor. XK01. Create a new vendor. Suppose reason, no? I don't give the reason here. Then it should throw the message. Okay. Click on S. So debug is triggered. So this is true, right? Yes. So what is this I underscore LFA1 now? I underscore LFA1, land one regio, where maybe we can find out. No?
In LFA tables,
LFA
then
table, that is fine. But in the flow here, in the flow, for example, if you go this mode, this is very important flow to understood. Display, components, function model exit. If you go to here, here you can find out here, importing parameter, I underscore LFA1. This is the parameter. LFA1 is the table actually. What could be the I underscore LFA1? It will become internal table or work area. If this is the table, and if we give like this, what will happen? This is internal table or work area, this one.
double check type association or
Mhm.
okay, double check
Double?
double check associated type.
No, this will come. What I'm asking is, suppose you declare like this, this will become either internal table or work area. This is the database table, LFA1. If you declare this is a declaration, right? This is one parameter you are declaring here. So think of here, this will become internal table or work area. Is same as like this. We go to here,
Okay.
work area, because when you are referring to table, if you are not using table type, it become work area only. It's like this, similar like this only. Suppose if I go to any program, suppose if I define here, data IT underscore or I underscore LFA1, like LFA. Same like this only here. Now, why? What is I underscore LFA1 become internal table or work area?
Okay, yes.
Work area only, because we are not giving any type table of. Either like you can give or you can do type also. Both are same only, right? What is the difference between type and like? Suppose you have v underscore matnr, type matnr. Okay. Data v1 underscore matnr.
Right. Existing variable R structure.
Correct. Right, 100%. So you can refer to the existing data object using the like statement. Now your v1 underscore matnr is become similar to data type of v underscore matnr. Okay, now when it comes to this flow, right? So this contains the skin fields. This one. Mhm. Let me do this. This is your xk01 T code skin fields, and this is a function module which contains the data in the runtime. In these parameters, data will comes to here. And then you are writing the code here. This is the exit. Function module exit. Inside this, we have the function model. Inside this, we have the include program. This is include program. So you are writing the code here. This is a function model. Here I have the parameters. These parameters we are using for a comparison here. I underscore LFA1. If I see I underscore LFA1, no? The structure, it contains all the fields what you entered on the screen here. Company name, right? All city name, pin code, all the information will contain here. Right? I underscore LFA1 hyphen regio. Right? I underscore is empty now. And this become true or false. Line number 13. Now observe the line number 13 now. Check it my values in the right side. Check it now. This will become true or false. This line number 13 statement. It's become true, right? Because land one is IN, regio is empty. This is equal to
Space.
hello,
Yes, sir.
power went off. So that's why it disconnected. Let me share again. I think recording is going on. Yes, yes. You see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
You can see, right? System is power is went off. Right? I think I have to create once again. I put a breakpoint here. Go to the components. Go to here. Put the breakpoint here. Create a vendor node. Vendor information. Give here. Company. Right here, search term. Maybe we don't need to worry about what is search term and all. This is business, maybe searching purpose. Otherwise, you don't need to think about what is all this. This is designer. Using which programming concept will design this one?
Model.
Model pull. Client will give the requirement, then you design this one. So country I give, reason I have not given. So now it should throw the message. Why? Because that message SAP has not given, you are providing to the client. Save it. Enter the mandatory bills. Okay. Now you are given S by union equal to, right? And then this is true. So this become true, this message will trigger. Right? Regional value to be entered is mandatory for the country India. Country India. This is what I given, right? So this type of validations is possible. Suppose if I deactivate now project, go back. How to deactivate the project? This green make it red. Right? How to display? How to make it that? Go to here. Go back project. Undo the activation here. Then this become red. Red means control will not go to here. Code will not trigger here. Now go and create a new vendor. So new vendor you are creating here. Let us some say Reliance, house number, city, Bangalore, country. So now also I am not giving any reason here, reason value. Now will it throw the message, the information message, or it won't throw any message? Will our code will trigger or not? Will our code will trigger or not now?
Not trigger, sir.
Not trigger because
Deactivate the exit.
we are deactivated the project. Hook is removed. Code will be there, but code will not execute. Code will be there. Code will not delete. Save it now. Enter. 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 Give the recongestion account. And enter. 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 Now click on yes. Right now it is not coming. The error message what I have written earlier. Okay, this is a concept. Next, we'll go to baddies. Any questions here?
No, sir.
Any questions, Rudra?
No, sir.
Okay, next we'll go to the baddies. Baddies also similar to enhancements, but it is built based on the OOPS concept, baddie.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
What is implicit and explicit enhancement?
That is the next version of the baddie.
Okay.
Inside the ABAP SAP program, so SAP has given the provision to add the new functionality. It is called under the enhancement framework. I'll show you that. So concept is function model exits. Before that, subroutines exits also is there based on the subroutines. Next, baddies. Next, enhancement framework. Under the enhancement framework, implicit and explicit enhancements will come. Okay. SC18. This is similar to your S mode. What is the purpose? To see the baddies details. To see the baddie details. This is similar to your S mode. Next, SC19. SC19 is to implement the baddie. Same as your C mode. This is C mode. So important thing is first, how do you find the baddie? Right, baddie. Same like how do you find the enhancements? These are interview questions. How do you find the baddie? How do you find the enhancements? So enhancements finding is two ways. What is the two ways? The earlier topic what we have done. If you want to find out any enhancement for a given T code, right? This is the T code. For a given T code, if you want to find out any enhancements, two ways. What are the two ways? One is based on the package. Based on the package, right? Of the T code. What is the other way?
Program.
Program. Through the program, inside the program, search for a call customer. This is the other option. So mod SAP will not give the table, mod SAP table. Will not give the enhancement details based on the T code. It gives only the enhancement name. It gives only the enhancement name and its components details only. Component details means function model exit, menu exit, scan exit. These three components only. Okay. So how do you find the baddies? Find the baddie. We have to find the baddie for a given T code. For a given T code, we have to set a breakpoint in the standard T code, standard class CL exit handler. So I'll show you system. Go to SC24. CL exit handler display. Right? There is a method under get instance method. In the standard class method, get underscore instance. Get underscore instance here. So we have to put the breakpoint here. Okay. In this method, parameter exit underscore name. Exit underscore name contains the baddie given for the transaction code for the specific activity. What could be specific activity means? Could be press enter key or save button or any specific button to click. If you want to add any other functionality, okay, then the baddie if available it triggers. Baddie will provide by SAP. Baddies will be provided. Baddies will be provided by SAP to write our own code inside of it. Okay. Now suppose if you create a new material, let's say we'll create a new material. See how many baddies it triggers. See, the moment I went MM01, there is one baddie triggered. You can see this baddie. Next, execute. One more battery triggered. Execute. One more battery is triggered. Right. So before this skin comes, we have got this many baddies being triggered. Now let us try to create one material. Say pharmaceuticals. Material type. Finished material. Press enter. So on baddie triggered. The moment I click on press enter, control came here means from baddie has been triggered. Standard baddie. Execute. Right. Choose a basic data one. Now again one more baddie triggered. Right. Execute. 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 So bad is going on triggering different baddies, different business purpose. Right. One more baddie. Now this skin has come. Calendar randomly data. Gross weight. kg. Net weight maybe 50. Let's save it now. Baddie triggered. One more baddie triggered. Execute. Again one more baddie. One more baddie. Baddie is triggered now. Division should not be blank. So somebody done an enhancement like this, what we are doing only. Hence you are getting this error. So what could be the reason we are not able to go here? If I double click, what way this message they might have created, using which concept maybe. So they have not created the message class. They have given hard coding. That's why you are getting this error. Let's try to find out the badges for xk01 only. What we have done already. Okay. xk01 will see the badges. What badges are triggering here? This is one baddie. xk01 T code. This is one baddie. Execute. Right, one more baddie. Execute. One more baddie. Execute. One more baddie. Execute. Right. So before this skin comes, this many baddies triggered. Now go to here. Give company code. Right. So I go vendor information. Wrong. Here. Enter. Bad is triggered. One bad is triggered. Execute. One more bad is same bad is triggered again. Baddie. Right? Now enter the data. And enter. Enter. You click on yes. Right? Bad triggered. One more again bad triggered. And again baddie. Execute. Right? Again baddie. Execute. One more baddie. Execute. One more baddie. One more baddie. Right? One more baddie. One more baddie. One more baddie. See here. Every time the new baddie triggers, the control will show the new baddie. Based on the business requirement, we have to analyze it. It's not so easy as I said last class. Writing code will be simple only. This is the baddie actually we need it. Okay. So this is how the list of the baddies we can find out here. Then you have to check one by one based on the parameters, putting the breakpoint, triggering or not. Then we have to analyze it. For example, this baddie I'll take. So SC18. Okay. Give the baddie name here. Display. For this also there is a baddie, that's why it's triggering this code. I can remove this breakpoint. Go to here. Delete all breakpoints here. Execute. Okay. If you go to here, these are the methods SAP provided. Based on the hook concept, these are the methods provided by SAP to write your own code. To write your own code. So here you can get the runtime skin fields here. So you can implement this baddie. How to implement this baddie is take this baddie. Go to SC19. Go to the baddie implementation. Click on create implementation. Give the implementation name. Enter. Right. Like baddie implementation. Go to interface. Double click this. Check all data. Do you want to save? Yes. Choose the package. Enter. Okay, press information message. So it is asking for the enhancement implementation name. Click here, create. Give the enhancement implementation name, what you just now given here. Short text. Implementing ID. XK01. Enter. Choose. Right. Enter. Now choose this one. Press enter here. Okay, now here, right? And this is the empty method here. Go back, right? Check all data here. In this empty method, you can write the code. Same as in the function model exits, enhancements, empty include program. SAP has given the SAP include program, empty include program to write your own code. Whereas here, SAP has given the method to write your own code using the method parameters here. For example, you can write if I underscore LFA1 hyphen, right, you can check it here. Ratio equal to 10. Okay. Is equal to 10. Or I think Andhra is 01 or whatever it may be. Is equal to 10. City will give the validation here. City, right? This is city here. Function city 1. If I underscore area P1 city 1. So check it here LFA1, go to SC11 LFA1. Check which field is city for here. ORT01. You should give here ORT01. ORT01. Not equal to Bangalore, right? Message city must be Bangalore. Type I and check syntax. So I'll restrict only on our ID only. If SY name equal to ESCDE0 and if here. Save it. Check syntax. Back and activate. So that all the methods will activate. You can put a breakpoint as well here. Put a breakpoint here. Right, enter. Do here. Company. Right. Country IN. Here Hyderabad. We'll go Hyderabad. Instead of Bangalore. Post box. Right. Enter. 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 Right. Click on S. Right now our bed is triggered. Okay. Now this will become true or false. True. Now this one is equal to hyphen ORT01 Hyderabad. Right. The reason. Right. So check this field value in the runtime. 10. Okay. So this will become true, right? Not equal to Bangalore. It goes this message. City must be Bangalore. City must be Bangalore. So same way you can deactivate now, it will not work. For example, you go to SC19 here. Back. Deactivate this one. Deactivate. Now code will not trigger. Our code will not trigger. Code will be there to not trigger. Go to now create a new vendor. XK01. Company. Right here. What? Now it will not trigger it because if we give here city Hyderabad, it won't give that message because we have deactivated it. Then that's all. So that message is not kept. Any questions here? Flow. Unless you practice, you cannot tell that confidently in the interviews. It maybe looks easy only to understand the flow, but unless you practice this, finding the baddies and all, you cannot tell confidently the answer. So main difference between the baddie and enhancements is this is multiple implementation is possible, not that point. So multiple implementations is possible. Baddies we can have multiple implementations whereas enhancement only one project we can have or one enhancement. So where you can see multiple implementations is you can see here. We'll go to here. Body view, display. Go to here, implementation display here. You can see here lot of implementations we have done. This one implementation has been done. Whereas it is not possible in the enhancements. Only one project can be used for one enhancement. Once you want to use the new project, you should remove that. That's what we have seen. Okay. So stop recording, Ganesh.